for the first half of the day, I was fine. Now getting to the last half of the day, I have no energy to do anything and I have stuff to do. All right, so just a quick update. Tomorrow, the boot camp starts again, so that's week 2. And I have been working on a pixel project. I completed it. I did the extra credit for the class. I added some new features. You can add rows, remove rows. Adding rows was part of the original requirement, but now you can remove rows, you can add columns and remove columns, and so it's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and put the display on the screen, or the demo I mean, because I actually tested it out. I tried to create my Discord character and it was really fun. I can resize things and I can erase things and I can fill remaining. It has some pretty cool functionality. You just can't save or anything like that. I'm not going to go too far into that because I have other projects to work on. But overall, it's been actually really excellent. If you're a computer science major, you'll pretty much fly by the homework. The homework is challenging, but given the fact that you've already been introduced to a lot of these concepts, it does take time. It's not challenging, it's more time consuming. Regardless of your background, it's going to take some time to complete, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool because you know how to look up documentation, you know how to do all that stuff, you've been doing it. So the homework was pretty cool. It took me about maybe 2.5, 3 hours, and now I have time. I'm going to go eat. I'm going to work on some extra stuff, and hopefully I'll have some cool things to show you guys. And yeah, so we're going to get into week 2 tomorrow. Technically this is the start of the second week, and I'm just going to update you guys, whenever the updates arrive, whenever I have something to say. So take it easy, folks. I'm out.
Oh yes, and one other thing I always forget to mention is that, during my time at Fullstack,